Marriott Bonvoy Bold Credit Card Review. Basic rewards for Marriott customers, for no annual fee. Card type. The Marriott Bonvoy Bold Credit Card is a hotel rewards credit card, affiliated with the Marriott Bonvoy loyalty program. Like many co-branded Marriott credit cards, the Marriott Bonvoy Bold is issued by Chase. Annual fee. There's no annual fee required for the Marriott Bonvoy Bold credit card, which is one of its biggest benefits. If you travel only a few times a year, but you prefer to stay at Marriott properties, a hotel credit card with no annual fee may be a good fit for you. Welcome offer. You can qualify for 30,000 Marriott Bonvoy points when you spend at least $1,000 within 3 months of opening this card. That's not enough points for a free night in Marriott's most premium properties, at least without using both cash and points, or pooling the bonus with other points you earn, but it can get you multiple nights in a Category 1 to 3 property. The 30,000 point bonus also covers a free night at a Category 4 hotel during peak travel dates, or a free night in a Category 5 hotel during off-peak dates. You can use Marriott's redemption chart to view more options, and even filter hotels by Bonvoy category on the Marriott site. Rewards. You'll earn up to 14x total points per dollar spent at Marriott properties with the Marriott Bonvoy Bold. Marriott Bonvoy members already earn 10x points per dollar spent with the hotel brand regardless of payment method. With the Bonvoy Bold card, you'll earn 3 additional points per dollar, and another 1 point per dollar for being a Silver Elite member, which you qualify for automatically upon account opening. Outside of Marriott Bonvoy purchases, you can also earn 2x points per dollar on other travel, and 1x points on everything else you buy. Fees. The Marriott Bonvoy Bold credit card doesn't charge an annual fee, or any foreign transaction fees. Fees to watch out for include a 5%, minimum $5, balance transfer fee, though this card has no introductory offer on balance transfers, making it a poor choice for debt payoff, and a 5%, minimum $10, cash advance fee. If you make a late payment fee, or have your payment returned, you'll be charged up to $40. Other benefits. As a Marriott Bonvoy Bold cardholder, you can score a few travel benefits to boost your Marriott status and protect your travel purchases. You'll get 15 Elite Night credits annually, which renew on or before March 1st each year. This automatically qualifies you for Silver Elite status, which includes perks like priority late checkout, free Wi-Fi, and more. Other benefits include travel protections, like baggage delay insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, trip delay reimbursement, and purchase protection against damage or theft. Benefits of Marriott Bonvoy Bold Credit Card. Marriott Bonvoy Bold is a solid co-branded choice for those who prefer staying with Marriott but may not travel enough to justify other Marriott Bonvoy cards with fees. You'll earn fewer points and get benefits than you would with the $95 Marriott Bonvoy Boundless credit card, for example, but the lack of an annual fee makes this card's value long-lasting no matter your travel plans. Automatic Silver Elite status makes it easier to work toward higher levels of hotel status through paid stays. As you spend throughout the year, this initial boost makes it easier to achieve higher levels of status. You can qualify for Gold Elite status with an additional 10 nights per year, plus the 15 credits you get with the card, for a total 25. Marriott Bonvoy, in general, is also a far-reaching program if you're looking to earn loyalty points on your hotel stays. Where some other hotel loyalty programs have a much smaller footprint, the Marriott Bonvoy program boasts more than 7,000 hotels and resorts around the world, so you'll have many properties to choose from once you're ready to redeem your points. Drawbacks of Marriott Bonvoy Bold Credit Card. While Marriott does have thousands of properties to choose from, the biggest drawback of the program is the value of your points. Our recent analysis showed that Marriott Bonvoy points were only worth about half of a cent each on average. You may find you get more value from a card that earns points within an issuer program, like Chase Ultimate Rewards or American Express Membership Rewards, which you can transfer to Marriott Bonvoy. The Marriott Bonvoy Bold earns competitive rewards on hotel stays within the program, but you'll get little benefit from your spending elsewhere, with just 2x points on other travel, and 1x on everything else. Marriott Bonvoy Bold also doesn't offer many benefits beyond boosted status, which is relatively common among no annual fee co-branded cards. If you're looking for perks, like free nights on your cardmember anniversary, annual resort credits, and more, compare other Marriott credit cards and hotel cards from other brands before you apply. How to use the Marriott Bonvoy Bold credit card. If you're going to sign up for the Marriott Bonvoy Bold credit card, designated only for paid hotel stays with Marriott, it's also a good idea to wait and apply for the card. When you're ready to book your next stay with Marriott, you'll need to spend at least $1,000 within the first 3 months to qualify for the welcome bonus, so you can earn points toward future travel and attain the bonus more easily when you use your new card to book an upcoming trip. For the rest of your spending, you'll get much more value from another rewards card or cashback credit card with a higher rate of return on regular purchases. And if you're still looking to accrue Marriott Bonvoy rewards, any American Express membership rewards, or Chase Ultimate Rewards card, many of which offer rewards in categories like dining or groceries, will allow you to transfer points to the Marriott Bonvoy program. With the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, for example, you can earn 100,000 points when you spend $4,000 within 3 months of account opening. You also earn 5x points on travel booked through Chase, 3x points on dining and online grocery purchases, 3x points on select streaming services, 2x points on other travel, and 1x points on everything else. Chase Ultimate Rewards points earned with the Chase Sapphire Preferred transfer to your Marriott Bonvoy account in increments of 1,000 at a 1-to-1 ratio. Is the Marriott Bonvoy Bold credit card right for you? The Marriott Bonvoy Bold credit card is pretty basic, like other co-branded no annual fee hotel credit cards. You can enjoy boosted rewards on hotel stays with Marriott, but this shouldn't be the only card in your wallet. If you're going to use a credit card for regular spending and bills, you would be a lot better off with a cashback credit card that gives you up to 2% back on everything, with no annual fee, or that offers bonus rewards on your everyday spending. This card can be a good fit if you're looking for a few extra perks and you stay at Marriott properties a few times each year. Its travel protections, like trip delay insurance and lost luggage reimbursement, can be valuable if you're in a bind while traveling. Boosted status is a solid benefit too, and makes it easier to reach higher status tiers with more worthwhile perks. And, if the spending is within your budget, the 30,000-point welcome bonus alone can work out to a few free nights. If you're okay with some basic benefits in exchange for no annual fee, this card may be exactly what you need. Even so, it never hurts to look at other travel credit cards and cashback credit cards that offer different rewards and benefits.